What is up, guys? Slayer Domenico here. So, if you guys want to learn how to do your first pull-up, or you want to learn the proper technique for the pull-up, then make sure to watch through this video. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a couple of the best techniques to be able to achieve your first pull-up. So this first thing is called the cheat and recover. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to get your bar and you're going to jump up to the top and then control as slow as you can all the way down. So you'll jump up and then even if you need to, just try and hold yourself there and come down slow. Okay, so with this second technique, you're probably going to be using some sort of resistance band, or you could also use an assisted pull-up machine or something along those lines. So if you're using a resistance band, you can either put it in your foot or under your knee. It'll give you more resistance if it's at your foot, but you can do either one. And then you're also going to want to pick out which resistance will help you be able to do the pull-up the best without actually shooting you up. So you'll just put yourself in the cable or in the resistance band and just do your normal pull-ups just like that, and that'll just help work your way up to being able to do the regular pull-up. And you're going to want to reduce the amount of resistance the band has over time as you get stronger. Alright, so now I'm going to explain the form to you guys. So basically, to start off, you got to get up on a pull-up bar and you want to hang down in a dead hang position and bring your feet off of the ground. If your pull-up bar is high enough, you may be able to keep your legs straight, but otherwise you might have to bend them. You can either cross them or just lift them however you need to. So second step, you're going to want to squeeze your glutes and your core, and then from there you just want to pull straight up, and you want to have your shoulder blades back and down, and you'll have a slight arch in your back too when you're up at that top position. So this is just one more look over of what your pull-up should look like. Alright, that's the form for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
We just been smoking the ball. We just been smoking the ball. We just been smoking the ball. We just been smoking the when did we pop up? Let me crack this line. Slow it down for a second. Break it down, ooh, she said, let me lick this line. Slow it down for a second. Break it down, ooh.